In this video, we're going to be talking about installing and non-installing PostgreSQL on Linux systems. First, we update to make sure the machine knows about the latest available packages. Now it's time to install the database server and useful extensions and tools. We added -y flag to the installation command to confirm the operation beforehand. We use systemd to ensure PostgreSQL starts now and also automatically on boot. To confirm the service is active and healthy, we can check its status using system control. Now, we can start using the service with the default administrative account for PostgreSQL. In order to be able to run SQL commands and manage databases, we can type PSQL and press enter. At this stage, the server is ready to use. Let's examine the functionality of the server by executing some SQL commands. By typing /q, we can leave the PSQL interface. And to exit the Postgres system account, we can simply type exit. Now, let's see how we can uninstall PostgreSQL and remove it from Linux completely. Before removal, ensure the database is not running. Using apt purge, we can uninstall the database server and related tools. We also use apt auto remove to remove packages that were installed automatically during the installation process. The next command is destructive and permanently deletes all databases with no chance of recovery. But if you still want to completely remove all databases, users, and settings, you can do so by removing these two directories. And at the end, you can remove the Postgres user from the system. But only do this if you will not reinstall PostgreSQL later. Otherwise, don't execute this command. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our website. Also, we help instructors create videos and educational materials for their own students and platforms. So if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel with your own voice and branding, follow the first link in the description.